All right, so here's the story, guys. I am in Salt Lake City, well, kind of out by like Ogden, so basically the Salt Lake area, Utah. And I'm looking at, I got to get this load that I'm doing down to Inglewood, Colorado, so the Denver area, tomorrow, by tomorrow. Now, so one of the things I like to do here is do jiu-jitsu classes, right? So I wanted to do the 11:30 to like 1 o'clock class because sometimes what happens is you know the wind kicks down at night anyways, and I wouldn't have been able to unload until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning anyhow in Wyoming, and that's the big hazard in Wyoming. So I look at the radar here, and this is the area where I'm at, so I definitely have to get out of here by like 3 p.m. because that's when they're expecting. See, as you can see, here's the radar. You can see that it's going to get a little bit sketchy here. But if I look here, the whole I-80, which is this yellow line right here, Rock Springs, right, looks pretty clear. So I'm thinking, okay, I can do this. And then this area here, 70 is the other route that I would possibly take. Look, this looks like a shit show, and these are the mountains, and it's very dangerous and all that such stuff, which I do this all the time, but that's beside the point, right? So that looks like it's the safer bet. This only looks like it's going to be a problem much later. So nowhere is really going to be safe. So here's the issue. So I don't know how bad this is going to be. This is by, say, 2 p.m. So, I mean, if I leave, I'll be through a lot of that by 2 p.m. Maybe not. So basically, there is kind of like you're screwed either way. So I go over here, and I look at the Wyoming 511. Check this out, guys. Even right now, and there's no weather there right now. Look at this, I-80, freaking closed, Elk Mountain. Now, this has nothing even to do whether or not I do my class here. Okay, this is like just, I have no idea what the right way to go because those mountains are going to be a shit show, but this one's straight up closed. So let's go back here. Let's go to the Colorado Traveler app, DOT app. Come on. Wow, this is taking a while. So, something I can say while this is loading is basically, I know you could say, well, you should shut it down completely, and just wait for the storms to go away. And the problem is this area of the country is kind of in a perpetual storm. You might have to make the decision that's the safer decision to go before the storm gets way bad, right? Sometimes the safer decision is to cowboy up and get this done. I don't know what's going on with this. Let's try restarting. So I might have to just get loaded, cowboy up, and just take 80 and hope that it opens, or hop on 70 and just be ready to do all the chaining up and chaining down and chaining back up and chaining down and white knuckling for the next 12 hours so you people can have your milk. And then do it again because I got another one of these loads to do. Wow. All right, this sucks. All right, let's see if I can just go to my field trip. Here. Yep, this information has expired. So I reload this map. Here, now we're looking at, okay, look at what we're looking at here. We're looking at snow, winter. We're looking at winter. I reloaded this. Yeah, looks like winter conditions all the way. And what's going on here? That isn't 70, is it? That's 46. It's a little hard to follow 70. Gypsum, Eagle, Vale, Beaver Creek, all this stuff. What's going on here? What's this? Commercial vehicle chain laws. Motherfucker. See, it's not exactly a friggin' easy job, man. And they paid me extra. They're paying me extra, but only like $500 to go. So this is the stuff we got to deal with, guys. Like, you know, these are the tough decisions you got to make. Sit here and wait for this storm. Sit here in this. Watch this. This isn't. I mean, it looks like it's clearing up in the next hour or so, but then they got the road signs saying around 3 p.m. it's getting worse, right? So look at this. All this is coming our way. So sit here and wait for all of this to pass. Watch Wyoming be completely clear except for the one spot right there between Laramie and Elk Mountain, which is closed right now, even though everything looks pretty clear. Watch it just get hit again. This is the things we got to deal with, man. Like this is something that's tough with truck drivers, man. Fun decisions that I got to make.